Hello guys and welcome back to Titan Trading channel where we're going to talk about trading and investing in the Malaysian stock market. For now, we focus on analyzing technical charts and I'll share my personal opinions based on my knowledge as a full-time trader. Before I dive in, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you find information helpful. Do feel free to drop your questions in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer them as well. Just a heads up, everything shared in this channel and in this video is my personal opinion and is done for educational purposes only. I will not give buy and sell calls and please do not trade anything I say in this video as buy and sell calls. Today we'll be looking at AJIYA BHD. I think it's a stock that I covered a couple of weeks ago, and recently it saw some pretty nice breakout. So let's talk about it. Okay, so AJIYA was a stock that had been consolidating over the past 5 to 6 months since breaking out towards the all-time high at 1.92 ringgit, and that was during earlier February, and we saw a huge sell down forming uh lower highs and lower lows and lower highs, and sort of trading in a descending triangle consolidation pattern, and you saw a very huge decrease in volume as well. And so this is the pattern that I drawn. And but what's happened recently is that it managed to form a major support around the 1 ringgit 42 cents, 1 ringgit 45 cents level. So here on the daily chart, where that came after it broke below the 1 ringgit 50 cents support, right? And it went all the way down towards the 1 ringgit 40 cents level. And it sort of consolidated there for a couple of months during May and July, right? It was up, down, up, down, up, down, wasn't much action. And recently, during last week, I believe it managed to break out strong from the 1 ringgit 50 cents resistance, all right, on the daily chart. And over the past week, it has been able to sustain pretty well here for AJIYA. And today, it even closed on its intraday high at 1 ringgit 59 cents. All right, that's a pretty good sign here. After months of consolidation, and finally, we're seeing a nice breakout. And so, what could be the next possible move for AJIYA? So for now, definitely the 1 ringgit 60 cents will be a resistance here, right? As we saw earlier, here, right? That is one level of resistance. And the other one would definitely be the 1 ringgit and 75 cents level, what we saw earlier here. And this will definitely be the stronger resistance level lah, besides the all-time high at 1 ringgit 50 cents level. Right, so for now, the buying momentum is strong despite being a little bit overbought on the daily RSI here. It could rally towards the 160 cents, retrace a little bit perhaps, consolidate a little bit, and then continue all the way back towards the 175 cents resistance. Right, that is where I will expect some selling pressure, more significant selling pressure to kick in. Right? Perhaps a larger retracement there, and before it tests all-time high 190 cents. Right, that's pretty possible here. Or, since it's a little bit overbought now, it could actually face its resistance at 160 cents, come back down a little bit, consolidate, and then move on further and go step by step like that. That's also possible. But we have to see how it goes for now. Honestly, this could even be a false breakout and breakout back to 160 cents and then boom, plummet back down and consolidate. That is also possible. Right. Worst case scenario is definitely like a false breakout and then plummet all the way back towards 1 ringgit 30 cents or maybe even low 1 ringgit 20, 1 ringgit and 10 cents, right? Where the stronger support level has been seen earlier last year. But that is the worst case scenario lah, of course. For now, daily chart not showing any sign of weakness yet. And if able to break through the 160 cents level, I expecting it to test the 175 cents resistance in the coming weeks, right? And that should give us about 10% upside here. Not much lah, alright, to be honest. Right, this came after AJIYA announced the pretty good net profit in the latest QR, right? So you can go and check it out if you're interested. And if we look at the daily EMA is also crossing back up towards being bullish. So that is definitely a good sign when the stock price is trading above the EMAs. Right? Hopefully it will be a start for a new uptrend very soon, right? If it goes parabolic, then even better. Right? Downside here will be around the 1 ringgit and 40 cents major support level. That should be the base region for now. I mean, we can also take the 1 ringgit 50 cents support level, right? 1 ringgit cent as an immediate support, as we've seen earlier here, right? What I can do even better is I can even move up here, right? I can even move the support up here, right? So downside is about 4-5%, but upside if 1 gets 75 is about 10%. So 2-to-1 ratio here, right? Not looking too bad now. and we'll have to see how it goes lah. Alright, 1 ringgit 60 cents should be crucial for now. And yep, that's it for today's video. If you find information helpful, do feel free to share this video to your friends and family and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming content. And have fun trading!